Ngiyakhumbula nje in the first few years umalume wami eliqalile ibandla lakhe. Kwakukhona omunye usisi ekwakuthi makukhulekwa kwakuzofika kuthandazwe mhlawumbe soshaya i-worship song ebese siyathandaza sonke. Sithandaze ebese yasalela yena. Bakhona-ke abantu abasalelayo nawe uyabazi. Uzokhuleka, khuleke edlule wonke omunye umuntu, ekhuleke longer than wonke omunye umuntu. Kodwa yena she would take it far. She would take it too far njengokuthi uzokhala. Yabo ehayize ginqike phansi eyisakaza emabhenchini ezitulini sesiyavika manje sizama ukuthi because phela futhi ucimezile angithi so uzama ukuthi ungavula amehlo kodwa ngeke awukwazi ungawavula uyeza uthi hayibo kwenzakalani la. And at that time I thought it was normal because akekho umuntu osakwahlalisa phansi washo ukuthi hayi lokho akukho normal. We always assumed ukuthi hayi no ubanjwe umoya into right, it's part of all of this. Mina ngokwami I never aspired for that, into engakaze ngayilangazelela leyo ukuthi umoya ungibambe ngize ngifike kule level yakhe. Kodwa mhlambe kukhona abanye abantu okwaba influence ukuyibona lento le, hayi ngoba sebezobanjwa umoya bese bethe kanjalo, kodwa because kuthiwa umoya wenzana kanje wonke umuntu wants to appear as umuntu obanjwe umoya. Nami nje ngiyakhumbula ukuthi ngisaye ngafunda iBhayibheli sisekhaya kwaqeda kukhulekwa or something. Zaqala zaphuma inyembezi kumina because angani ukuthi ngangifunda ivesi elithini, kodwa because into engase ngiyibonile esontweni le uthi ayakhalwa kahle kahle esontweni. Umoya mawumuzwa kahle umoya ongcwele uyakhala. Ngakhala nami elangishaya iole lithi ukukhalelana because manje angikwazi ukuchaza ngilonke ithi hayi bengifunda iBhayibheli langishaya iole lithi ukukhalelana yabo. Kodwa ke kule video lena I want to explain ukuthi sometimes akusiwe umoya noma akusilo idlozi, akusiwe umoya ongcwele, ukuhlanya nje umuntu usuke nenkinga ekumele ithole olunye usizo, hayi ngoba mhlambe namadimoni, hayi ngoba enomoya ongcwele, hayi ngoba enidlozi, usuke enenkinga nje. Kodwa thina njengendle emnyama asiyithatheli phezulu leyo nto, akusiyo into eyake yaba i-solution or a-consideration when it comes to these things. Even when it doesn't come to these things, i-mental health nje ama-therapist nani into eqhelelene nathi i-majority yethu thina njengendle emnyama. Sometimes sisuke sine-psychosis, spiritual psychosis. Ngibuka i-video la ku-YouTube ka-Dr. Farid Banimat, I think I'm saying his name right. Igama le video ukuthi what is spiritual psychosis. Ku video uconclude ngokuthi there's no such thing as spiritual psychosis in clinical terms. Akukho ukuhlanyiswa umoya. There's only psychosis. Psychosis, i-definition yayo ithi it's a severe mental disorder marked by a deranged personality and distorted view of reality. Ngamanye amazwi ukuhlanya nje, ukusangana, ukugula ngekhanda. Sometimes it manifests itself in hallucinations or delusions. Ukubona izinto abangayibona abanye abantu nokuyitshela into engekho uyithathe njengeqiniso. Leyo psychosis leyo, lokho kugula ngekhanda, can be caused by multiple different reasons. Lawo hallucinations nama delusions angabangwa izinto eziningi. For example, iwona ama-psychological disorders or schizophrenia or bipolar or depression nani. That is one thing that can cause all of these hallucinations. Ama-drugs, khona insangu, oma-LSD, psilocybin, ama-mushrooms nani yonke lento, it may cause psychosis. Ebese-ke kuba ama-fixed and strong beliefs, inkolelo ongafuni ukusuka kuzona, ukholela kuzona ngamandla. For example, mawukholwa ukuthi usibanibani unamadimoni, mhlambe usisi wami lekhaya for example usefaka ama-extension, mina ngikholwa ukuthi amadimoni, senginenkinga lapho. I'm being psychotic now because mina ngokwami sengihlala nedimoni lekhaya. And mawuthi ngiyaqhubeka ngiyawafida lama beliefs, mhlawumbe ngizogcina sengihallucinate, ngimbone eyinyoka nje engayazi yabo. Ngikhumbula nje ama-audio clips kuthiwa umuntu wayemkhathini wayakephi sisabe nathi kuthiwa wenza ukuthi nokuthi wafaka ama-extension wayithola manje esethwetshuliwe kanjani. Angisho ukuthi akukho, kodwa at that very young age ingqondo zethu sazingazi, ingqondo yami yayingathathi, yayinga-analyze izinto ngale ndlela lesengi-analyze ngayo manje. Angisho ukuthi ngiright, kodwa ezinye izinto kumele uyibheke nje. I think that's the purpose of this video, ukuthi ezinye izinto kumele siyibheke. I think that was the purpose of my last few videos, lawa ukuthi na into engidina ngonkolo, na into engidina ngamadlozi. Ezinye izinto asayibheki because umuntu uyambona mfethu ukuthi njenge-example yalo yasisi wasesontweni la pastor, la malume wami ngibiza ngopastor. Uyaginqika lo muntu uyahayiza, lento ayikho normal mfethu, ayikho normal, kodwa because we are in this setting we will take it as truth ukuthi hayi uright lo muntu unomoya ongcwele, unomoya ongcwele omkhulu, yabo uyamshisa umoya ongcwele. And mangathiwa lento akayenzayo uyenza kwi-setting yamadlozi, mhlambe uyenza ekhaya elinamadlozi, ungathiwa lo muntu unamadlozi kumele kubize umuntu ezomsiza kanje kanje kanje. And labo bantu ababizwayo sometimes bayabona nabo ukuthi akazi ukuthi yini inkinga yalo muntu, because naye mhlamba akazi ukuthi he has schizophrenia or bipolar, bani. Abantu bayahlanya nje emhlabeni mfethu, hayi ngoba mhlambe bezenza bona, ngoba nje isifo mhlambe uyi-inheritile leyo nto. Sometimes lama mental disorders siyawa inherita njengezinye izifo. And kuthiwa hayi uma wakho naye wayequleka kanje, wayehayiza kanje, wayinabantu abadala, nawe nabo abantu abadala. And sometimes that is true, but sometimes it's not. Umuntu mayisenza izinto out of the ordinary kakhulu, which is too far out of the ordinary. Angisho ukuthi mina ungqongqosho ogadayo ukuthi ikuphi ordinary nokungekho, kodwa mase wenza izinto extraordinary and very abnormal, kumele sikufakele ibuko instead of ukuthi labantu bathole usizo or at least bakhuzwe uma sebeqala lezi zinto zabo zokusangana, they get validated, understand kuthiwa hayi umoya idlozi kanjani. And sometimes it's not always the case ukuthi umuntu uyahlanya, kodwa you have to be critical. For example, I think mangathiwa kuqhamuka umuntu nje ekhande umkhumbi, umuntu ekuthiwa uNoah ekhande enze yonke lento eyenziwe uNoah, sonke singayitshela uyahlanya loya muntu. Izinto ezikanjalo engiyishoyo umuntu uzoyitshela ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukhulume naye enze ukuthi nokuthi ethi abantu abadla imali zabo uyabuya ngosuku lokuthi kukaningi kuthiwa uJesu uyabuya, abantu bekholwe, abantu bedlotshani. Siyabhayiswa kakhulu mfethu because silambele ukusutha ngokomoya. So labo abantu bathatha iadvantage ekuthina, kuthiwa faster izinsuku ezingaka uzufa. Angiboni uNkulunkulu ongafuna ukuthi ufaste uze ufe noma uthole ukugula, uluze weight kakhulu. Ngeke ungahallucinate uma ulambile. You understand? Of course you will hallucinate when you are always hungry. Do you get what I'm saying? Or when you are hungry for extended periods of time. Mhlambe nawe khona umuntu omsolayo ukuthi uyahlanya lo, njengomuntu ohlezi uthi uNkulunkulu ukhulume nami mfethu. Lowo muntu ngimthatha njengomuntu oshoyo ukuthi abantu abadala bathi angenza ukuthi mina kunentombazane mfethu engiyaziyo njalo mfethu mangikhuluma naye mfethu, oh my guides bafuna ngenza ukuthi like bafuna ngiphume ebusuku ngiyobhema into anginabafana lapha yaphandle. Yabo, but it's weird, it's weird. Ezinye izinto futhi abantu abazenzayo abathi kusho the spiritual beings, it's either umoya ongcwele noma amadlozi abo, they're just too out of the ordinary. Angiphathi bosu ubhema nensanga udla nama drugs kakhulu. Of course khona into ezokwenzeka enqondweni yakho. Angiphathi ke mawuthi uyayikholela ngempela lezi zinto, because I think sometimes into osuyitshele yona kakhulu waqhubeka wayitshela yona, kuzoba nzima ukuthi uyingabaze as true. Uzogcina urealize ukuthi kahle noma uzogcina ulahlekela ukuthi into oyitshela yona nje kuphela, hayi into eyiqiniso. Mawuthi uyayitshela uNkulunkulu ukhuluma nawe, mhlawumbe uzogcina ulizwa izwe ekhande lithi hayi yazi ukuthini umndeni wakho osathane wonke, phuma uhambe uyohlala ebandleni elithile, uthatha umnikelo wakho wonke uyowunika usibanibani. And I think lama leaders, the spiritual leaders, abafundisi nazi inyanga nezangoma, they reinforce this, about they induce it, like they manipulate us into believing all of this. I know I could have fleshed this out a bit more, but what I wanted to say basically ukuthi kumele siyibuke kwathini ukuthi senzani, sibabuke nabanye abantu ukuthi lo muntu kahle engabe unayo lento le, unawo lo moya ongcwele lo, ngabe unalo ngempela idlozi udinga usizo nje like une-schizophrenia nani nani, ngoba indlu emnyama ayithatheli phezulu izinto zengqondo, ayithatheli phezulu ama-mental disorders, asikhulanga kanjalo. I-therapy into ekude kakhulu nathi, even though siyayidinga nathi because nathi siney'ngqondo ey'fana nawo wonke omunye umuntu, njengoba wonke omunye umuntu eya kwi-therapy uma edinga ethola usizo edla amaphilisi, hhayi ukuthi ehanjiswe esigodleni eyothwasa for months and months on end, even years sometimes, angazi ngiyasho nje, or ukuthi hhayi no lo muntu unomoya ongcwele kakhulu. Sometimes we just need ukuthi bethole usizo nje mfethu. Iyona basically into ebengizama ukuyisho kule video.